awesome valley thing. It's nice. So there's a giant frozen lake, another one, as I mentioned earlier, love a good frozen lake. And this is the, I was going to say this is the tunnel. I mean, that's technically true, but I'll show outside of the tunnel, TS. Show the outside of the tunnel.
Vi ankommer Hallingskeid om 5 til 6 minutter. Avstigning høyre side. We will arrive at Hallingskeid
now I
in
can't show off the outside of the tunnel. Oh, there we go.
Platform on the right.
There, over there, some section. More white valley with white sky. It's really meaningless. This is me trying to connect to the internet that the train is promising me. It keeps telling me that it's timing out. Like a jerk. It is an internet jerk. No, that one's already taken. A train jerk. The train is being a train jerk about the internet. It is being an internet train jerk. I'm sure that's a thing. Ooh. The train is now indoors. Strangely. The thing I wanted to show you earlier is the tunnel we are now going into. It's just marvelous. The other thing, every time I've got the reflection going, I see this bag, which is my bag, and this bag for the main alcohol sale shop in Norway. I mean, the Dan Murphys of Norway, basically. And I feel like an alcoholic, even though this just has a bag of soup in it and an empty bottle of Coke. Well, now it's an empty bottle of Coke, which I plan to return for the deposit when I go to a supermarket. But I keep feeling like I'm showing you that I'm an alcoholic or something, because why else would there be a bag for the wine monopoly shop? Le sigh. Also, the internet jerkery of the train jerk is being even more jerky. It's not even letting me enter things now. Not even pretending to let me create an account. That is a barren, desolate wasteland with one little house. And now it becomes less wastelandy, and now we're in a tunnel again. Just as I got some interesting architecture. Alcoholic's bag. Laptop not working. Just... Ooh, people on a... what's it called, a snowped or a snowmobile? Hey, that hotel has a train carriage connecting the two buildings as a walkway. It's on tracks and everything. And that is a snowplow bulldozer type thing. Google.com, after it's told me I'm now logged in and can access the internet, just brings me back here and says you are now logged in and can access the internet. But how? How can I access the internet when you keep sending me back here to the message that I can now access the internet? Curse you, NSB! I guess I'll just have to stare at this instead. A lot of the snow building up on the side of the train has melted, so I won't be able to film that much.
Geilo.
Geilo.
5 til 6 minutter. Avstigning høyre side.
That is the station I want.
We will arrive at Geilo.
There we go.
In about 5 to 6 minutes.
There we go.
Platform on the right.
Platform will be on the right. Fancy that. Modern technology. So, just waiting for them to drive into Geilo.
Now approaching Geilo.
There we go. Almost there. I'm going to get to see my aunt. I'm going to be able to give my family, my aunt, cousin, uncle, Christmas gifts. And then tomorrow I get to ski. This is going to be wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Just it's so fantastic, so fantastic, so fantastic. Dun 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 dun. Shifty eyes. Yeah. 794 meters over the ocean, essentially. Here I am, getting off here. Oh, it's snowing. Hey, there's my aunt.
Hej Mattias!
Hi.
Välkommen!
Hey, Per!
Välkommen.
God, it's also good. Oh, sorry, hang on. No, if you just take that,
Okay.
then I can carry the rest. It's just that's the awkward to carry. Here I am, in the mountains. Oh good, the lighting isn't terrible. And the snow here is thick, so it makes a noise when I step on it. And there are big piles of snow by the side of the road. There are big piles of snow on top of everybody's houses. It's remarkable. And down there, another one of those frozen lakes I love so much. I'm really glad I'm here. Also, I like the noise my shoes make when I step on the snow. This is exactly what I was hoping it was going to be. Exactly. I guess the only thing that will be bad about this is not spending a whole month in this kind of stuff. You know, this is nice. It's beautiful. It's just absolutely beautiful. And over there, ski resort, that's not the one at which I will be skiing, mind you. But it's still got its degree of badassery with the whole lit up slope at this time of night. I wonder if they're planning a specific event with it. Oh! The moon looks amazing. I wonder if I'll get enough colour balance to be able to make out some of the things on it with it. Nope. No, apparently I can't. And at maximum zoom, my hand is not stable enough. Sorry, that's way too closely zoomed in on my face. What? No, that's the same thing again. Zoomed out. There we go. Look at the way that snow is everywhere and all over everything. I plan to make a snowman. This I will probably do in Oslo. I don't want to waste a single moment of being able to ski here. There's the shot. This is the shot I will use. This is the shot I will use for the vlog scene for this week.
If you think you can get away with not subscribing to CarpeClunes, think again.